Hi, I'm Cassie, and I'm going to walk you through question 28 of the AAMC's official physics question pack. So this question is a continuation of passage 4, and essentially it wants to know what happens when electrons get ejected from the cathode according to the photoelectric effect. So what's going on here? Well, let's think about it. We've got photons, or light has photons in it. It hits the metal of our cathode, and that ejects electrons. Those electrons, they're going to experience a force from the electric field that's going to accelerate them towards the anode. Okay, so those electrons are going to reach the anode. And then when that happens, remember our cathode is negatively charged and our anode is positively charged. And this is part, as you see in the diagram in the passage, of a larger circuit. And essentially the only gap in the circuit was this space between the anode and the cathode. But with the photoelectric effect, we're able to send electrons across that space. And essentially we're completing the circuit. So now what's going to happen when our electrons reach the anode? Well, they're going to keep traveling back around, back to our cathode. And then if photons hit that cathode with enough energy to overcome the work function of that metal, well, then more electrons are going to get ejected and travel from cathode to anode and keep completing and going around the circuit. So what's happening here is a definition of current, right? Current is just the flow of electrons, or, another equation, a way of thinking about it that you should know for the MCAT. Current is our change in charge over time, a flow of electrons. So the answer is just going to be C. Current is going to flow through the circuit. Now, why are the other answer choices wrong? Well, answer choice A, the voltage across the electron's reverse polarity, there's literally nothing in the passage or that I can think of like scientifically that would lead us to believe that that happens. Answer choice B, the voltage is going to change. A few electrons getting ejected from the cathode to anode, that's not going to change the voltage that's coming from the power source. So that's why that's wrong. And similarly, answer choice D about the resistance from the resistor. The resistance from the resistor isn't going to change because a couple electrons got ejected. The resistance of the resistor is a property of the resistor. It has nothing to do with those electrons getting ejected. So again, that's why the answer choice is C, current flows through the circuit. I hope this helps. Give it a like if it did, and please follow my channel for more content like this.